Good morning dear students. I am teaching chapter 2 and name of the chapter 2 is the microorganisms, friends and foe. And today I will discuss about the control measures of mosquito, how we can control the mosquitoes. So yesterday I told you control measures of house flies, and today I will tell you how we can control the mosquitoes. So you know that mosquitoes breed in water. Mosquitoes breed in water. So water must not be allowed to collect anywhere. Anywhere if water is collect, then you will see that mosquitoes breed in collecting water. And then even in the tires, coolers, flower pots where water is collected. So, and keeping the surroundings clean and dry. When you will keep your surroundings clean and dry, then they will not grow. And spraying of kerosene on the surface of water to form a thin film, and this blocks oxygen and kills larvae of mosquitoes. And some of the common disease is caused by microbes in humans. Their modes of transmission and general preventive measures are given in the table 2.2 and 2.3. So I will discuss about table 2.2. Table 2.2. Table 2.2, and here it is given microorganisms and here diseases. Microorganisms and diseases. So first microorganism is the virus. First microorganism is the virus, and virus is spread by the common cold, chickenpox, smallpox, measles, polio, rabies. And these are the microorganisms, and through the viruses which kind of diseases will happen. Then you can see that common cold, chickenpox, smallpox, measles, polio and rabies. Second microorganism is the bacteria. Second microorganism is the bacteria. In this you can see that it is cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, diphtheria, anthrax, plague. Then you can see that protozoa, diseases spread through the protozoa, that is the malaria, dysentery, sleeping sickness, and then next is the fungi, and through the fungi you can see that that is the ringworms, that is the skin diseases. So you can see that this is the microorganisms, and through the microorganism which kind of diseases occur. So through the viruses diseases occur, that is the common cold, chickenpox, smallpox, measles and polio, rabies. It is spread through the virus. Through the bacteria, cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, diphtheria, anthrax and plague. These diseases are spread through the bacteria. and malaria, dysentery, sleeping sickness. These diseases are spread through the protozoa. And ringworms, that is the skin disease, and it is called the fungal diseases also, or skin diseases. It is spread through the fungi. It is spread through the fungi. So this is the table 2.2, and you can see that diseases which are spread through the different kind of microorganism. And then I will tell you table 2.3, modes of transmission and general preventive measures of some human diseases that is caused by the microbes. So diseases, causal organism, cholera bacteria, typhoid bacterium, and mode of transmission, how it is spread, that is the contaminated water and food water. And general preventive measures, how we can prevent, drink boiled water, maintain good sanitation and personal hygiene, properly cooked food, and vaccination. These are the preventive measures through we can control these diseases. And tuberculosis, bacterium, mode of transmission is the air. And general preventive measures, that is the keep the patients and the personal belonging in complete isolation from others. And BCG, vaccination. Hepatitis B, that is the virus, and mode of transmission is the water. General preventive measures, drink boiled water, vaccination. Polio, chickenpox, and measles, it is spread through the air, water, air contact and air, and keep the patient and the personal belonging in complete isolation from others. And vaccination, malaria, that is a protozoa, and mode of transmission is the mosquito. And control measures, prevent breeding of mosquitoes by not allowing the collection of water in the surroundings. And spray of insecticide, use mosquito net and repellents. So these are the, when you will see this table 2.3, then you can see. Then disease causing microorganisms in animals and plants. Some common disease caused by microorganisms in animals. So microorganisms and which disease caused in the animals. So you can see that virus, foot and mouth diseases in cattle, bacteria, anthrax in cattle, protozoa, sleeping sickness in cattle, pigs and horses. Then some common diseases that is caused by microorganism in the plants. You can see that viruses, tobacco mosaic, and hands, clothing of fields workers. Then next microorganism is the virus, and diseases, yellow vein mosaic of bhindi, okra, and mode of transmission is the insect. Microorganisms, bacteria, diseases, citrus canker, and modes of transmission is the air. Microorganisms, fungi, diseases, rust of wheat, modes of transmission is the air, seeds. So now I will discuss about what is food poisoning. And then I will discuss about the food poisoning. What is the food poisoning? You can see that food poisoning. What is the food poisoning? What is the food poisoning? So you can see that in food poisoning, you may have read in newspaper the reports about the children falling sick and vomiting after eating the lunch that is provided at the school, or people and falling sick after eating at a marriage party, and could be reason for this. Doctors would tell you that it may be due to the food poisoning. So here I will tell you what is the food poisoning. You know that food poisoning is due to the consumption of food spoiled by microorganism. If food is spoiled, and then that food if we will take, because microorganism release toxic substances, and when these toxic substances we will take, and means that contaminated food we will take, then it is very harmful, and then it will cause food poisoning. And if food is not preserved properly, it can lead to poisoning. Microorganisms like bacteria and fungi are responsible for food poisoning. Microorganism, that is the bacteria and fungi, they are responsible for the food poisoning. And when these microorganisms grow on our food substances, then they produce toxic substances and these make the food poisonous, and then eat this causing vomiting, serious illness and even death. Bacteria causing food poisoning, that is the Salmonella and Clostridium, and fungi causing food poisoning, molds, Aspergillus and Penicillium. Then oral questions are given. Who discovered the antibiotics penicillin, and which vaccine is given to children orally to protect against a disease at the age of 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5 months? 1.5 months, 2.5 months and 3.5 months. Which microorganism cause the foot and mouth disease in cattle? Name 2 diseases which are spread by the house flies. So all of you till here you will take revision, and today I have given chapter 1 and chapter 2 PDF. So you will write chapter 1 and chapter 2 I have given and I have uploaded in the study material, and you have to download it from there, and then you have to write in the copy, and I will tell you what you will write in the copy. So first, from the first chapter, no need of writing multiple choice you will not write, and you will write in the copy, that is the fill in the blanks and find the odd one out, giving reasons, and then arrange the following agriculture practices and answer the following. So this one you have to write in DSC copy.